13 years ago, I prayed for a love like this. I prayed for a man who would build a life with me. For 13 years, and one beautiful year of being engaged, we have been tested by time. We have been faced challenges, grow through seasons, and carried burdens side by side.
Still running through your head. We've got big decisions.
Simula ngayon, ikaw na talaga. Wala nang atrasan. Ikaw yung best decision ko sa buhay. Yung taong kakampi ko, ka-vibes ko at pahinga ng puso ko.
But if I'm headed out, I'll be holding on. 'Cause I kinda love can take the miles. Oh, and there's no distance now that could break that tie. I'll be holding on to you till the day I die.
Happy kasi after 13 years, ayun, together. Alam ko naman, alam ko naman matagal na natin tong plano. Pero sabi nga nila, di ba, everything happened for a reason. And alam ko na ito yung perfect time for us.
And if the next door that opens takes you to another place, send me a postcard and I'll be dreaming of your face. Oh,
Javi, sawa ko. Thank you for never getting tired of giving me a beautiful life, a joyful life, a life where I feel so valued and deeply in love. Thank you for building a family with me, not just in dreams but in reality.
I'll be holding on to you till the day I die. Even if the sun goes down right when yours is coming up, it won't set on our love.
Parang hindi. Parang feeling ko kasi bumabalik yung yung first day ng yung bagong tayo lang dati. Wala, yung parang deeply in love. Yes.
And I believe we'll make
Rachel, tanggapin mo itong singsing na ito bilang pangako ko sa'yo na ikaw lang mamahalin ko habang buhay.
To my husband, Arvin, accept this ring to promise it to richer and poorer. I'm here with you by your side. Ikaw lang pipiliin araw-araw.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be. 'Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can find in another life. Take my hand and I promise.
Today, I stand before you marrying the person I once whispered to God about.
Promise ko, andito ako lagi sa good at bad days kahit sa mga araw na parehas tayo nagtotopak.
Yet, through it all, we never let go. We remain together, choosing each other every single day, fighting not against each other but for us.
I only want you for the rest of my life. My life. For the rest of my life. You're in my sight and my mind. In the
I love you more than words can ever fully express. And today, I promise to be beside you in every season, just as you have stood beside me.
Rerespetuhin kita, susuportahan kita, at mamahalin kita araw-araw. Hindi lang kapag madali, kundi lalo kapag mahirap. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko paulit-ulit habang buhay. I love you.
Love you. Wala, umiyak ako. Himikap ko.
Take my hand and I promises that you'll soon be held and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life. For the rest of my life.
After 13 years, I finally get to say this. I am marrying the man I prayed for. I love you.